why should we follow you? You should read the regeneration model, because I've iterated the command, love your neighbor as yourself, in a manner that proves that the greatest disciplines in our society are for the purpose of human nurture and establish the value of the human person. So we cannot afford to have kleptocracy and criminals anymore in charge of our people. We must replace criminal leadership with ethical leadership, and you could do that peacefully with project development, bill writing, and commercial project development. Think of how Moses built the temple and all those people went to work.